Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at eToro. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. eToro is a leading global investment platform renowned for its user-friendly interface and innovative approach to online trading and investing. Founded in 2007, eToro has transformed the way individuals engage with financial markets by offering a unique blend of traditional trading tools and cutting-edge social investing features. The platform caters to a diverse range of users, from beginners to seasoned traders, providing access to a wide range of assets. Its hallmark feature, CopyTrader, allows users to replicate the strategies of successful investors, making professional-level trading accessible to everyone. eToro emphasizes transparency, education, and community interaction, fostering an environment where users can learn from one another while making informed investment decisions. With millions of registered users worldwide and a strong commitment to innovation, eToro continues to redefine the financial trading experience, empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. The platform offers an extensive selection of trading instruments, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of its global user base. These assets include stocks, exchange-traded funds, commodities, forex, indices, and cryptocurrencies. By combining a broad array of instruments with tools like fractional trading, leverage options, and real-time market data, eToro empowers users to create tailored investment strategies that align with their financial goals. eToro operates under the supervision of multiple reputable regulatory authorities, ensuring a secure and compliant environment for its global users. The platform is committed to adhering to strict regulatory standards across the region where it provides its services. These regulatory authorities include the FCA, the ASIC, the CYSEC, the MIFID, and many other regulatory authorities. This strong regulatory framework reflects eToro's commitment to transparency, client fund protection, and ethical practices. The platform employs robust measures such as client fund segregation, anti-money laundering compliance, and know your customer protocols, ensuring a trustworthy and secure trading experience for its global community. eToro occasionally offers bonuses and promotions designed to enhance the trading experience and rewards for its users. These promotions may vary based on location, regulatory requirements, and platform policies. eToro's promotions and bonuses include their affiliate program, a $10 deposit bonus, and a Recruit a Friend program. The broker occasionally offers deposit bonuses as part of its promotional campaigns, rewarding users for funding their accounts. These bonuses provide additional trading funds or other incentives based on the amount deposited, allowing traders to maximize their investment potential. The availability, terms, and conditions of deposit bonuses may vary by region and promotion. eToro's affiliate program, known as eToro Partners, is a leading incentive that allows individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting the eToro trading platform. Designed for marketers, influencers, and website owners, the program offers competitive rewards for referring new users to eToro. Affiliates can benefit from a flexible commission structure that includes revenue share and cost per acquisition options, tailored to suit various promotional strategies. Participants may receive access to a comprehensive suite of marketing tools, including banners, landing pages, and tracking links, to optimize their campaigns effectively. By joining eToro Partners, affiliates gain access to a reputable brand, a supportive network, and the potential to generate significant earnings through one of the most innovative platforms in the financial trading industry. eToro's Recruit a Friend program is a referral initiative that rewards users for introducing their friends to the platform. By participating, eToro users can earn a bonus for every friend they invite who successfully signs up deposits funds and starts trading. This program is designed to foster community growth while providing an opportunity for users to benefit from sharing their positive trading experience. eToro's trading platform is a cutting-edge solution designed to make investing accessible and engaging for users of all experience levels. Renowned for its intuitive interface and innovative features, the platform allows users to trade a wide variety of assets, all from a single user-friendly dashboard. A standout feature of eToro's trading platform is its pioneering social trading capabilities. Users can interact with a global community of investors, share insights, and even replicate the strategies of successful traders using the CopyTrader function. This unique feature empowers beginners to learn from experienced investors while allowing professionals to share their expertise and potentially earn additional rewards. eToro's platform also includes advanced tools such as real-time market data, customizable watch lists, and professional-grade charting tools for in-depth analysis. It supports both web-based and mobile trading, ensuring seamless access to markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, features like fractional trading and zero-commission stock trading make the platform cost-effective and accessible to users with varying budgets. Secure, transparent, and enriched with educational resources, their trading platform combines cutting-edge technology with community-driven insights to create a holistic and user-centric investing experience. The broker offers a variety of trading account types to cater to the diverse needs of its global user base. The platform's accounts are designed to accommodate different trading styles, experience levels, and financial goals, providing flexibility and customization options. Their retail trading account is designed for everyday traders and investors, offering a straightforward and accessible way to engage with financial markets. This account type is ideal for individuals who want to trade a wide range of assets, without the complexity of advanced professional tools or higher risk features. Their retail trading account provides users with access to essential features such as real-time market data, customizable watch lists, and trading charts. Their social trading feature is also available with this account type, allowing users to copy the trades of more experienced investors and potentially enhance their trading strategies. Their professional trading account is designed for experienced traders who require advanced features and higher leverage to execute more complex strategies. This account type offers additional trading benefits, catering to individuals who meet specific criteria and have a higher risk tolerance. Professional traders on eToro gain access to greater leverage, allowing them to amplify their positions and take advantage of market opportunities with more substantial potential returns. They also receive priority customer support, ensuring quicker resolution of inquiries and access to more in-depth market insights and analysis. In order to qualify for a professional trading account, users must meet certain regulatory requirements, such as demonstrating a proven track record in trading, holding a specific amount of funds in their account, or meeting other financial criteria. Once approved, professional traders can use advanced tools and features such as higher leverage ratios, increased margin limits, and access to additional asset classes. Their corporate trading account is designed for businesses, institutions, and organizations that wish to engage in online trading. This account type allows companies to manage their investments across a variety of asset classes, all through a secure and regulated platform. Corporate accounts provide access to eToro's full range of trading tools, including real-time market data, advanced charting features, and customizable portfolios, enabling businesses to execute strategic investment decisions. These accounts also benefit from eToro's social trading features such as CopyTrader, which allows companies to replicate the trading strategies of top investors, helping to maximize potential returns while minimizing the need for direct market expertise. eToro's demo trading account provides users with a risk-free environment to practice trading and familiarize themselves with the platform's features. This account type is ideal for beginners who are new to the world of trading, as well as experienced traders looking to test new strategies without the risk of losing real capital. With their demo trading account, users are given a virtual balance to simulate real market conditions, allowing them to experiment with a variety of asset classes. The account mirrors the live market in real time, providing an accurate representation of trading dynamics, as well as helping users build confidence before transitioning to real money trading. The broker's Islamic trading account is designed for traders who wish to follow Islamic principles in their trading activities, ensuring full compliance with Sharia law. This account type eliminates any interest and speculative practices which are prohibited under Islamic finance principles. One of the key features of their Islamic trading account is the absence of swap or rollover fees. These are typically applied when positions are held overnight in conventional trading accounts. However, for Islamic accounts, these fees are waived to ensure that there are no interest-based charges. eToro's copy trading feature, as mentioned earlier, allows users to automatically replicate the trades of experienced investors, making it easier for beginners or those with limited time to engage in the financial markets. With copy trading, traders can follow and copy the strategies of top-performing investors in real time, enabling them to diversify their portfolios and potentially enhance their investment returns without needing extensive market knowledge. The feature provides users with a range of experienced traders to choose from, each with varying risk profiles, strategies, and asset preferences. eToro displays detailed performance metrics and statistics for each trader, allowing users to make informed decisions about who to copy based on factors like risk, historical returns, and trading styles. Users can customize their investment by allocating specific amounts to different traders, and they have the flexibility to stop copying or adjust their investment at any time. Creating an account with eToro is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and once on their homepage, click on the Join eToro button. Next, fill out your personal information, such as your email address, name, and create a password. After your account has been submitted, you will be redirected to the eToro client portal. Once within their client portal, you will need to verify your personal information. Once your account has been set up and accepted, the next step would be to choose and create your preferred trading account type. Once your account has been created, the next step would be to download the eToro trading platform or simply log in with their web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the eToro trading platform. At the bottom center of the dashboard, you can add or remove all of eToro's available instruments to your watch list or browse all of their available instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart, and at the top right of the dashboard, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the eToro trading platform, their educational resources provide a wide variety of educational videos to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. eToro supports various deposit and withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, PayPal, and e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller. Deposits are usually processed quickly, while withdrawals typically take a few business days to complete. Users can withdraw funds using the same method they use for deposits, and some payment methods may have associated fees or limits. eToro ensures a secure and efficient process for both deposits and withdrawals, with clear guidelines provided for users. The broker also offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders of all experience levels enhance their skills and knowledge. The platform provides access to details such as market analysis, webinars, tutorials, and guides, covering various topics such as trading strategies, risk management, and understanding different asset classes. Additionally, eToro's demo account allows beginners to practice trading with virtual funds, while the social trading features enable users to learn from the strategies of experienced traders. These resources are designed to empower users to make informed decisions and improve their trading performance. eToro provides users with comprehensive news and analysis to stay informed about global markets and make better trading decisions. The platform offers real-time market updates, expert insights, and in-depth analysis of various assets. eToro's market news section is updated regularly, ensuring users have access to the latest trends and events that may impact their investments. These resources help traders stay ahead of market movements and enhance their strategies with timely, relevant information. The broker has also received numerous awards in its years of operation, recognizing its excellence in online trading and investing. The platform has been acknowledged for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading features, and commitment to social trading. eToro's awards highlight its reputation as a trusted and cutting-edge financial services provider, offering a seamless and secure trading experience for users worldwide. These accolades reinforce the broker's position as a leader in the online trading industry. Overall, eToro stands as a pioneering platform in the world of online trading and investing, offering a unique blend of innovation, accessibility, and community-driven features. By integrating traditional and modern asset classes, eToro caters to the diverse needs of a global audience. Its standout features, such as copy trading and the social trading network, enables users to connect, share strategies, and even replicate the trades of experienced investors, fostering a collaborative and educational trading environment. The broker's dedication to user experience is evident in its intuitive interface, advanced trading tools, and comprehensive educational resources that supports traders of all skill levels. The platform is designed to simplify the complexities of financial markets, making investing approachable for beginners while providing sophisticated features for seasoned traders. Further enhancing its credibility, eToro operates under strict regulatory oversight, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment. Its global presence, multilingual support, and commitment to innovation have earned it numerous awards and recognition as a leader in the online trading space. Whether users are seeking to diversify their portfolios, explore social trading, or gain insights from a thriving investment community, eToro delivers a seamless and empowering experience. By combining cutting-edge technology with a human-centric approach, eToro continues to redefine how people access and interact with financial markets worldwide. And that is our overview of eToro. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.